Organizing your Mailchimp audience effectively ensures targeted and efficient email marketing. Here's a concise guide. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Navigate to Audience. Click on the Audience tab on the dashboard to view your contacts. Segment your audience. Click Segments to create dynamic groups based on specific criteria like location, engagement level, or purchase history. Define segment conditions and save them for targeted campaigns. Use tags. Go to Manage Contacts and select tags to create and apply tags. Tags help categorize contacts by interest, behaviors, or other attributes. You can apply multiple tags to a contact for better organization. Create groups. Click on Manage Contacts and select Groups. Groups are subcategories within your audience, allowing you to segment contacts by specific interests or characteristics. Create groups and add contacts manually or through import. Import and update contacts. Import contacts with organized data into your audience. Use Mailchimp's import tools to map fields and keep your list updated. Clean up your list. Regularly review and remove inactive or duplicate contacts to maintain a healthy, engaged audience.